Welcome to today's lecture on the pronunciation of the sounds z, c, s, zh, ch, sh, and zh in Mandarin Chinese. These sounds may pose some challenges for non-native learners, but with practice and guidance, you will be able to master them. Let's start with the sound z. It is similar to the z sound in the English word kids. Z. To produce the sound, place your tongue against your upper teeth and release air with a slight vibration. Let's check out the example.
Z, z, z.
Next, we have the sound c. It is similar to the c sound in the English word cats. C. To produce this sound, position your tongue as if you were saying the letter T and release air sharply.
C, c, c.
Moving on to the sound s. It is similar to the s sound in the English word sun. Simply position your tongue close to your front teeth and release air smoothly.
S, s, s.
Now, let's tackle the sound zh. It doesn't have an exact equivalent in English, but it's similar to the zh sound in the French word je. To produce this sound, curl your tongue back and release air with a vibration.
Zh, zh, zh.
Next, we have the sound ch. It's similar to the ch sound in the English word church. Ch. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth and release air with a strong aspiration.
Ch, ch, ch.
Next, we have the sound sh. It's similar to the sh sound in the English word she. Position your tongue close to the roof of your mouth and release air with a smooth sound.
Sh, sh, sh.
The sound r in Chinese is quite different from the English r sound. In Mandarin Chinese, it is a retroflex sound, meaning that the tip of your tongue should be curled and positioned against the roof of your mouth. To produce the r sound, lightly touch the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue and then release the air while vibrating your tongue against the roof of your mouth.
R, r, r.
It may take some practice to get the correct sound, as it